Intro. The intro. Hello. Damn it, I swore. Intro. God damn it, I swore again. An intro. Intros. Hey everyone. Welcome to my project, the Maiden Voyage. We've made it to the Beehive. I'm gonna go walk down that trail. You can't see my thumb. I'm gonna walk down that trail and see if I can make it all the way to the shelter. I'm gonna go with probably not, but I'm here. As long as I don't get kicked out, we're at least going to stay at this awesome beehive. Okay, so I'm going to try to stay at that beehive. Hopefully nobody kicks me out. And the reason is because I'm pretty sure that the trail, as you can see, it's not horrible. You know, it's just spotches of ice. But underneath that ice could be very deceiving. Let's take this for an example. Let's see here. Is that the right hole? Yeah, so you see, I don't know, let's try that again. See how deep my foot goes in there? Additionally, then you have to get up back onto the ice shelf in order to get past it. So I'm gonna deem that it is not a good idea for two reasons. One, do I think my Jeep can do it? Yes. But not without damaging the road. And this is not my property, it's state property, public, so I need to consider other people. You know, so I'm gonna head back to the beehive and start making some dinner. Hey guys, I was on my way to the second camping trip of the trailer's life, I guess you could say. And I noticed the fender was bouncing off the tire. And I was like, I didn't build it that way. What happened is, this screw here came out of this board, and this screw here came out of that board. Because they're just, I guess a half an inch is not enough. I'll have to go deeper. To get it up and running, as you could see, I had to reconnect some wires. Good thing we've got some duct tape and a multi-tool and a nice solid, hopefully not going anywhere, wood clamp to keep it off the tire. As you can see, there is gonna need a new coat of paint, but the tire still holds air, and that's the important part. So the trip continues.